Hi, Mike Wilkinson here, the value sales expert, helping you understand, create, and deliver outstanding value for your customers and get paid for it. What I want to talk about today is how do we actually create those opportunities where we can demonstrate all of those fine things? And obviously, there are loads of ways of doing it, but one thing I want to talk about is what I call constructive nosiness. Now, you may wonder, what on earth is constructive nosiness? You may call it curiosity, but it is that desire to find out and uncover all the little intricacies about the customer and their business, being interested in things that help to make their business tick. And the more you know about their business, the more opportunities I guarantee will come to the fore. And the more the customer knows that you know, the greater the likelihood is that they will begin to know, like, and trust you. And as we know, that is absolutely the key to long-term effective business relationships. So my encouragement for you today is to be increasingly constructively nosy about your customer's business, putting your nose into those areas that perhaps in the past you haven't done, but just showing genuine interest in finding out that little bit more about the customer's business than perhaps your competitors are doing right now. So there you are. Please feel free to get in touch and let's talk about value and value selling. In the meantime, every success in your value selling.